In this video, I will show you how to receive crypto on Revolut. To do this, first you just want to go and open up the Revolut app. After doing that, click on crypto in the bottom. From here, you will go to crypto. Now here, you just want to go and click on the receive button. Then here, for me, there's only Bitcoin as an option, but in the future, they may also allow you to receive other cryptocurrencies. For now, just select Bitcoin if it is only Bitcoin, otherwise you can select any of the ones that you see, and that will redirect you to a screen like this. Now here you have some kind of a QR code that you can use, but personally what I would recommend is just click on copy, and then you will have copied your wallet address. Then to actually send crypto to this wallet, you want to go to the exchange or wallet that you are sending from, and then paste in this wallet address when sending Bitcoin, and for the network you can see you must also select Bitcoin. Now I'll just quickly show you how this works. So for example, if I want to use Coinbase, I can click transfer, then click send crypto. And then from here I can simply paste in that wallet address that I just copied and then click on it. Then select Bitcoin as the asset I want to send. And then for the network, you need to select Bitcoin since that is the same network that it showed on Revolut. They can simply enter how much you want to transfer and preview it. And then if you have that money in that account, you can then go ahead and confirm it, and then it will be on its way to your Revolut account. So that's how to receive crypto on Revolut. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.